Victor! Victor! I'm so sorry. I tried to shoot you only once.
I am. I said I want you want me to say I got hit. Okay. Okay.
Hey, calm down, bro.
I'm sorry. Because
Yeah. No. Ya le dije. If he says something else, bro. Oh. Hey, straight the clock this way. Come here. Come here. Watch this way, cause I don't have that many bullets. Come, just run. No, I need your help, cause they're gonna push up here if you don't keep them back there. They're switch to your left hand with your rifle. He's directly behind that corner, right over there, around the orange corner. Yeah. Did you see him? No? Alright, cool. Yeah, I see him. Peeking in the windows! The ones in the middle! He's just wasting his ammo.
Es que el vato le pegó a la...
Get him! Get him! Keep him pinned down. Keep him pinned down. You hear me? Keep shooting. Keep shooting. Sorry, bro.
God damn. I'm just gonna lay here.
Watch out, ref. There's someone behind you that I'm shooting. Did you hit me?
Oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
You got me there.
Oh, okay. Good job, Dad. Dead man coming out. Good job. I got one guy. All right. I'm gonna go back to respawn real quick. As you guys can see, I'm out of rounds on this. Hell yeah. And I'm going back in with my Walter PPQ. Couple of rounds. Let me reload it real quick, just to be sure I have enough rounds. A little bit more. Alright, it should be good. Just put this back in my belt. I'm ready to go. Coming behind you. Are they still there?
El otro en la otra esquina.
Yeah, the yellow corner, right? All right, good job. Here, friendly. Ooh.
It's clear right up. Yeah, it's a red. Hold on. Wait until she picked her gun up.
Nice. Where's she shooting?
Right there next to the Jeep. Next to the Jeep. You could be a
Yeah, maybe from this side.
spot going around.
All right. Hey, peek her on this. Oh, watch out. He's peeking. He's there. You can peek now. You can peek. Get her. Oh, Daddy, you could have gotten her. Huh? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, no, I saw him laying there too, but it's airsoft. I mean, I had a pistol with this. I shot him with this, you know. It's under 350, so. You signed a waiver. I am so sorry, girl. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh, I didn't mean to shoot you. I didn't.